Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the muted thread settings in the mail on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down, not again, go to the mail, swipe down again, right now, and then in the threading section, you are going to find the muted thread action. So if you are going to mute a thread from the factory settings, it is going to be marked as red. Just it. If you're going to mute it, you're not going to get notifications, but you're still going to get it to the inbox. But you can set it to archive or delete. So what it does, that those threads are going to be archived or deleted, and you are going to be asked whether you would like to archive it or delete it while you are going to mute the specific thread. So this is how you can adjust between those two settings. So I'm going to leave it marked as red because this is the best for me, and this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.